Stay committed.
If you do, you're just going to tear your bike up. Most of your bikes up. That being said, that part, it'll be expensive for you because you fit both your bikes.
Right.
Do we know where Boone Road goes?
I have no idea. Nope.
Have you ever been on Boone Road?
Nope. Well, we're going to find out.
This is how we find out. If you don't know, you don't go. Yours gets more done.
That's right.
Fact. That's a fact, Jack.
That's right.
Yeah, what's that real listing down there? Of course, this Boone Road doesn't go much.
Yeah.
It's not like take it, but it don't go very far. Goes back to you might want to here.
Does it? I kind of miss my Garmin on here.
I imagine. Just because your Garmin mounts on here.
I know it. That old barn gave up the ghost.
Yep. It wasn't taken care of. Like most stuff ain't anymore. Big ditches, he just wants to jump off in and go.
Get in there and play.
He'd like to bunny hop off of the edge of that one.
Yeah.
Down the ditch.
Play around.
I'd like to video it.
I know you would.
Yeah, I would. Hey, that's a promise.
I'll guarantee you one thing, you wouldn't want to do it on this bike.
I wouldn't want to do it on this one. If I did it, I'd want it to be a CR250 or something.
Yeah.
That's what's real suspension.
Yeah.
I've done stupid stuff. I had you on a camper. I was on a dirt bike.
Yeah.
I wouldn't do it even now on a dirt bike. I just don't ain't interested in that. Like I said, I like to go pain-free.
Exactly.
I've got all kinds of, my body's full of battle scars from the crashes. Got plenty of stitch marks.
Yeah, I've got a few of those myself.
I ain't looking for any more.
Showing 82.
84, humid. And we are at 1,098 feet. We are way up in the air now.
Way up there.
1:30 p.m. on Friday. Actually, I had to look at my watch to see what day of the week it is. You worry about yours back there, buddy. I'm in control of this. Not you.
When there's nobody on the road, I don't even use them.
Well, you have a true law breaker. I'm not. There you go. There's your black snake.
Yeah, I don't want to hit him.
He had a bad day.
Yep.
That's the second one we've seen of those today.
It is. What do we got here? An old church and cemetery?
Looks like an old church, schoolhouse.
Yep.
That had a big one back in the day.
Yes, sir.
Most definitely that big. Deer, whoa, that dude.
Yeah, I got that one on camera, buddy.
Yeah, I do too. That dude was right in front of me. Holy mackerel.
Yeah.
I'm glad I bit faster than I was going.
Yeah.
I'd have been right there on top of that dude. She was big as a doe.
She says, I know I can beat that Honda.
There's no barn there. Yeah, I know I can get the Harley, I mean Honda. I better get out of the way before that Harley gets up there. Bernie's probably ain't working, he'll run over me. He probably in limp mode.
Yeah. The Limpy Harley.
You need to call it limp mode. See, Honda, they don't have to put limp mode because they're not going to have a problem. It never get used.
Exactly.
No sense of putting that on there. You don't need it.
Nope.
If they put limp mode on the bike, they're planning on something going wrong.
Yep.
That's why you would do it. You know there's going to be an issue. Let's put a limp mode on there in case it has a problem.
Yeah.
Kind of crazy. Just speak the truth, guys. Sorry.
Call it like you see it, because it's the truth.
This is what it is. I'll turn that signal off now.
Yeah.
I mean, it didn't have fluid to get home anyway. Old John here, he never rode on a gravel road before I come up there. He ain't rode this many gravel roads since I've been there.
No, I haven't. That's
He rode some gravel roads, not this many.
yeah. That is a very true statement.
He will now, guys. So if you're watching John's videos, stay tuned because that's what he just started doing from now on. You won't see them little 2-mile trips down a gravel driveway. You're going to see some good videos and stuff like this.
Some good videos.
You subscribe to his channel. You're going to see the Arizona on my videos. You're going to see the Ozarks stuff. You can go to his channel and you're going to see roads like this. Because that's what he's going to start doing.
Yep.
He's making that promise to his viewers right now.
I thought that's what I'm hearing. He's trying to say, stop blaming your wife
That's right.
and you'll ride. Watch Bob.
It ain't his wife. He's not making videos for this stuff you guys see. It's him. There you guys go. I'll put it out there the way it is.
It is all me. I'll admit it is me. I just feel bad leaving my wife at home, you know, while I'm out having fun.
Well, I mean, that's why you take her out sometimes, too.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yep.
When she goes shopping now, doing her looking around stuff, she's leaving you at home.
Nope.
She's out having fun.
Nope, doesn't happen. She makes me go with her.
Oh, I don't want to do that.
You know why? Because she don't have to drive.
Yeah. Yeah, my wife wants to do this stuff out like, I don't want to go down there and stand around or sit. You do that stuff.
Look at that view.
Yeah, hey,
Now
look
that's
at the
pretty.
view.
That's a nice
The
vista
outside.
there. That is nice.
Hey, you know why? Because there's not trees on each side of the road, so we can actually see somewhere.
Slow down here a little bit and let you all see that. That's pretty.
Decent view.
Definitely pretty.
Let's see which way I want to go. I want to go. That goes right. Yep. The Evans family.
The Evans.
The Evans family. Not the Adams family, the Evans family. Being mistaken.
Yep.
John just tried to slow his pace down and we got by his destination. Traveled out on the gravel road somewhere running over by Mac truck. There you go. little chunks of traction air tires on all the roads you've been on.
I'm leaving my mark.
You did mark.
It doesn't leak oil, so I got to leave my mark somewhere since I'm on a Harley.
Yeah. If you're on a Harley that don't leak oil, yeah. And it don't. Because that ain't a Harley motor, is it? Basic.
Yeah.
Harley make that motor?
You know, they say they did, but who knows?
Probably not.
The shocks that's on this thing's probably made by Honda.
Probably.
Cedar trees everywhere.
There is. Very nice. Stop down here in the shade, take a break, get a drink.
That sounds like a plan.
Sounds like a good plan.
Yeah.
Get over here. Oh, there comes the truck right when I want to get over.
Yep.
I guess I'll stop on this side then.
Yep.
I'll get off here.
Alright guys, we're going to take a break. Having a good time today, enjoying the ride. It's been a blast so far. I've got to go down more gravel roads out here at the lake than I've ever had. And I'm getting to ride with my buddy Frank from Arizona. A really great guy. Anyway, hit that like button, the subscribe button, the notification bell, and you'll be notified when we have more videos come out. You folks have a great day.